Good morning, everyone. My name is Dan Ray, and I am using a Surface Pro to talk about different ways that we can include our audience as we are presenting. One way would be using handwriting and using some of the features within a touchscreen running on PowerPoint. I can actually zoom in and zoom out of slides using nothing more than touch. Probably everyone has sat through a presentation where the presenter used the words listed above. I know you can't see this, but, and continued to present something you can't see from the audience. Imagine using a Surface device in your next presentation and being able to zoom in on the slide and focus your audience and allow them to see the information that you want to communicate. Maybe I'm presenting about the fact that I'm in Vegas this week and I want to use a background or have the word casino or Vegas as the focal point. While a slide this busy doesn't really allow them to focus on one thing. But I can pinch and zoom using a touchscreen in PowerPoint to make my point. I can even use things like ink to draw attention to the slides. You know, building an inclusive culture is not just about the presentations and the ways you communicate, but drawing in people of different backgrounds, experiences, and possibly ways of bringing in that communication. Here I am demonstrating a PowerPoint presentation with a photo and text, but I'm also using the captioning and automatic translation is available as well. So if my audience doesn't speak English, they can still understand what I am communicating by the written word. The other thing that PowerPoint does automatically now is it can generate alt text for photos. Here I have inserted a picture of a Surface Pro sitting on a table, and notice how accurate the description in the alt text is. This could be done with my rear-facing camera on a Surface or the front-facing camera to bring in my own video. And finally, we have applications like Microsoft Teams that allow me to share video either using the front or the rear-facing camera. I can even set up background effects so that something like a TV or a desk environment isn't distracting to my audience. I can do this very quickly and easily within the Teams environment. And then I also have an application called Whiteboard. And Whiteboard allows me to communicate my ideas visually in my own handwriting and even share this real time with other people within my organization. I can add different people. If I want to add my friend Ben, I just type in the name Ben and I can add Ben right there. These types of communication methods allow you to be much more inclusive using video and your voice and translation, and even having pictures with alt text for people that can't see the presentation that you're giving. Thank you very much, and please consider a Surface device as your next 2-in-1.